In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email Evernote support. Whether you've run into a billing issue, a technical hiccup, or any other snag, getting the right help can make a world of difference. So, let's walk through the process of submitting a request to Evernote's support team, ensuring you get the assistance you need as efficiently as possible. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Evernote Help Center. This will be your main hub for addressing any issues you're having with the service. Once you're there, keep an eye out for the Submit a Request option. You'll typically find this at the top right corner of the page. Alternatively, if you're reading through a help article, you might notice the option nestled towards the bottom. Clicking this will start the process of detailing your concern. Next, you'll need to log in with your Evernote account details. This step is crucial because it connects your issue directly with your account, providing the support team with necessary context. Now, if you're having trouble logging in, say you've forgotten your password or are facing some other login anomaly, don't worry. Just select Can't Sign In. Instead of logging in as usual, this handy link will direct you to a form designed specifically for login issues. After you're successfully logged in or have accessed the alternative form for login troubles, it's time to specify the nature of your account. You'll be asked to select your account type. Are you using an individual account, maybe on a free, personal, or professional plan? Or are you part of a team's account? Identifying this correctly will ensure you get the guidance most relevant to your services and needs. Once your account type is selected, the next step is choosing a topic that best describes your issue. This can range from billing and technical issues to other account-related problems. Picking the right category is essential because it helps direct your request to the right support professionals. Now for the form itself, give as much detail as possible about the problem you're encountering. This will make it easier for the support team to understand your situation from the get-go. Once you've filled out all the necessary fields, submit the form. Almost immediately, you'll receive an automated email response. This email includes some initial troubleshooting steps that are specifically configured based on the issue you've reported. These initial steps are intended to resolve the problem quickly and efficiently without further assistance. However, if you try these steps and they don't resolve your issue, don't fret. You simply need to reply to the same email you received, and this will prompt a human support agent to follow up with you. They'll be able to dig deeper into the problem and provide a personalized solution. And there you have it. A simple, straightforward approach to contacting Evernote support. Following these steps ensures that your issues are communicated clearly, allowing the Evernote team to assist you in the best way possible.